Here we have a Carrier Performance heat pump that I filmed last summer, running in heat mode. That's the sound blanket. That's a GE motor. There's the reversing valve right there. 2009, 3.5 ton. It's very warm. Yeah. This is actually the Heaven that I filmed. Yeah, this is the Heaven that I filmed last summer. This one was frozen. This little mini one from 2009. And the Carrier Infinity's over here. This is something that I also filmed at in 2021. So, yeah. Hopefully you still remember this place. So, yeah. Anyways, there's this Carrier running in heat mode. So, yeah. There's a few others over there like that are also heat pumps. But, yeah, this one's running in heat mode. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.